Hello and welcome to Molotov Garage channel. And today we are doing an oil change on this 2023 GMC Yukon XL Denali. It has 136,000 miles right now, so we're going to be doing the scheduled oil change, which I do every 5,000 miles. As you have been hopefully following me on this channel, I've been doing AMSOIL since this car first had its service, and we've been flushing the engine with this Liquimoly engine flush at every single 5,000 mile interval, adding 7 quarts of oil. I've recently switched to the Wix filter, moved away from the K&N, just my own personal choice. And the only thing I'm missing here is the Liquimoly Ceratec, which unfortunately I did not pre-order, which I will, and I will go ahead and add it to the engine after this oil change. I'll just add a bottle. So the car has been warming up to temperatures. I'll go ahead and shut it off and then add the engine flush. Let's pop that hood. All right, going to open up the oil cap, and as always I'm adding 2 bottles of this engine flush into the engine. We're going to run it 15 minutes. 1 bottle treats up to 3 to 5 liters of oil, which is essentially 5 quarts or 4 quarts. This engine has 7 quarts of oil, so I'm adding 2 bottles. And then bottle number 2. Put the cap back on. And so what we're going to do is start the engine. Let it run for 15 minutes. While I'm at it, I'm going to go into the settings. And then we're going to go into vehicle, suspension. We're going to hit service mode on that to make sure that dust not deflate on top of the person who is trying to drain the engine oil, which is me. All right, so it's 1:42. We should be back. So should be back here 1:57. All right, and we are back. It's 1:57. This truck has ran 15 minutes with the engine flush circulating through the engine, clearing everything out, removing all the deposits and soot and ash. And go ahead and stop the engine. I have my oil collection pan ready, along with some 15 millimeter to remove the oil drain plug and oil filter removal tool. We've got 7 quarts ready to go. The filter is ready. So before I get underneath, just a little shortcut. What I'm going to do is grab this oil filter and fill it up with oil, so that way when I'm under the car, once I remove the old filter and clean out the area, I can right away have a new pre-filled filter ready, so I don't have to come back out here and do this again. Kind of a little shortcut. All right, well, let's get underneath and start draining. Well, actually, before we drain, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the oil cap and then take out this dipstick. Place it there as well to facilitate the drainage, and we'll be right under. I'm gonna let the drain plug fall into the collection pan. Gonna hand tighten this. Nothing crazy. Make sure we're threaded in carefully. And we are back on top. All right. Gonna fill this up. Wow. Insert the oil dipstick back into the engine. I'll go ahead and remove the funnel. Oil pack cap back on. See where we're at. And what we have is a slight overfill, which is to be expected because we have not run the engine yet. So I'll go ahead and run the engine for a couple of minutes. While the engine is running, I'll go ahead and go into my oil and go ahead and reset that, and we are currently at 135,961 miles. So let that be for the record. The oil counter has been reset. I'll go ahead and stop the engine. And at this point, let's check our oil level. We're ordering some on Amazon using one of my own links, and get a couple of bottles for this oil change and the next one. So as you can see, the oil level is perfect, right on the line, and this oil change is complete. I'll reinsert the dipstick, wipe down a little bit, and we are all set. So this is another oil change that I've done on this 23 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This was 136,000 miles, and as you have been following my channel, I've been changing the oil every 5,000 miles, using the engine flush and the Ceratec friction modifier, and I believe this is one of the reasons why this truck has been trouble-free 130,000 miles with no transmission or engine issues or anything whatsoever, no sensors tripped, no DPF problems, no nothing. Again, this channel is to document the life of this truck using the specific methodology, specific oil, and the filter and additives that I choose to use. Don't get paid for, I'm not sponsored by anyone on this channel. The links I post in the description for Amazon and AMSOIL, I might get paid a little bit of a commission on those. So I appreciate your viewership. Please like and subscribe, hit notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.